Presenting a Growing Little Ones video. Hey everybody, we have more Paw Patrol toys. We've got Chase's Spy Cruiser, and he's got a drone right here. And we have Rubble's Diggin Bulldozer, and he is Super Rubble. Look at this, it's a claw. So this is really cool. I can't wait to check that out. And then we have Spy Chase with his action pack. Here's Spy Chase. Here's Rescue Marshall, EMT Marshall, Zuma, Rocky, Sky, Ryder, and Rubble. And this one comes with a badge. So let's go ahead and start getting these open. First, let's get Rubble's Diggin Bulldozer out.
Yay!
You like that?
Uh-huh.
Alright, here we go.
Look what I found.
Did you find the pictures? Let's see what it shows us. Oh, we've got the Launch and Roll Lookout Tower, the Monkey Temple, and Zoomer Marshall. Wow, we haven't done videos of any of those. We may have to get some of those. That'd be fun.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and turn these and see if we can get Rubble out of the box.
There's his digger.
There is his digger. Here is Super Rubble. He put on this mask after watching his favorite Apollo episode. And then he had to be brave in the cave. And he had to be brave around the spider. And he went and blew the spider away. All right, he sits right in there in his digger. Has a bulldozer on the front, like this.
And the crane on the back.
Yeah, a crane. Oh, look at that. It goes really tall. That is really neat. I didn't know that. And then this can grab things and pick them up. Goes down and back up. You can reach things up high. Ah, it's got my finger. And it can roll around. Let's give him something to doze. What do you need to doze? Oh, we've got some snow and a snowman for him to doze. Very good, Rubble. Alright, let's get Spy Chase and his action pack out. There we go. Here is the badge. And you can put that on your clothing. Here, you want to show us how to put it on our clothing?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we're going to come right here. And this is the badge. And you go like this. There we go. And that is how we put it on our shirt. Now you are an official Spy Chase helper. Here is Spy Chase. And that clicks down, and when you press, he pops back up. Spy Chase to the rescue. Do you need a drone or a Spy Chase? I am here to help. You need to find a lost chickaletta in a cornfield or search out for missing bunnies? I can help with that. Thank you, Chase. Alright, last but not least, we've got Chase's Spy Cruiser. Here is the back of his box. And you can see where the drone goes in there. Spy Chase is on the case. Removable drone. Shows you Ryder, Rubble, and Marshall on the back. Oh, that was easy.
Yeah.
And let's get this out. Gotta get his drone. Here is Spy Chase's drone. That is really neat. Cannot wait to put that in the vehicle. See how it fits. And here is Spy Chase. His legs move. Alright, we're gonna put his drone in, just like that. Let's see, does this turn? Oh, it does. And then you can go whoosh and fly the drone out. Me, 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 me. It's searching. It's searching. Ah, it found Rubble. comes and goes back right in there. Just like that. Spy chase! My turtles, the little turtles I was supposed to be helping, they've gone missing. Can you use your drone and help me find those little baby turtles? Sure thing, Rubble. Let me launch. Shh. It's flying. It's searching. Are they over here? No. Are they over here? No. Wait, are they over here? There's those baby turtles. It found them. Thank you, Spy Chase. Those little turtles get in a lot of trouble. And I needed the Spy Chase and drone to find them. Now time to take them back to the ocean. Apollo, what are you doing here? Spy Chase, I need your help. Wally has gone missing. Wally the walrus? He's missing? That's horrible. I'll send out my drone to find him. Whoosh. It's searching. Is he over here? No. Is he over here? No. Keep searching. He found him! There's Wally. Good job, drone. Thank you, Spy Chase. Come on, Wally. Back to the ocean with you. Spy Chase is on the case. Rubble on the double. We'll get the job done. Whether it's missing turtles or lost walruses, we can find them. If you guys have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.
All have sinned, yes, all have sinned, and all fall short of the glory of God. And there is none, not even one, none righteous, no, not even one. For the wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life. If you declare that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised him up from the grave, you will be saved. Yes, you will be saved.